Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making our super easy southern style slow cooker pulled pork barbecue recipe. It's packed with flavor and gets so tender as it simmers low and slow in a Dr. Pepper sauce. It's delicious served on toasted buns with a drizzle of barbecue sauce, and I like to add a scoop of creamy coleslaw. This barbecue pulled pork recipe is great for summer barbecues and cozy, cool weather dinners. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make delicious food you'll be proud to share with friends and family. We believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives, and I can't wait for you to try one of our family's favorite barbecue recipes. You'll be able to make 8 or 10 huge sandwiches with this recipe, and if you're having a party, use slider buns to feed even more. For a quick look at the 5 simple ingredients, you'll find the recipe in the description box below. First, mix 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Sprinkle and rub it onto a pork shoulder. This one is about 4.5 pounds and is from Costco, where it's sold in a package of about 18 pounds. To see me break this down into reasonable sizes, click the link above or in the description box. Next, I'm going to sear the pork in a hot skillet. This step is totally optional. The searing will help make a few burnt ends and crusty bits on your finished pulled pork. You can also make this barbecue pulled pork a few days ahead of time and reheat it in the slow cooker or microwave right before you plan to serve up the sandwiches. Check out our playlist for collections of easy dessert recipes and potluck favorites. And thank you so much for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support means so much to us. Next, slice a sweet onion and place several rings on the bottom of the slow cooker. Set the pork shoulder into the slow cooker, then pour in 3 cups of Dr. Pepper to cover the meat. Mix 1 cup of Dr. Pepper and 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Then pour directly over the pork. Cover and cook on low for about 7 to 8 hours until the pork is very tender. The meat should fall apart easily with a fork or tongs. If I'm home, I'll sometimes flip the meat halfway through the cooking time and slather the top with more barbecue sauce. I use tongs or a fork to test the meat for doneness, and I look for the meat to easily pull apart. When it's ready, remove the pork from the slow cooker. You can see how tender it is as breaking into pieces as I lift it out. Shred the meat with forks. You know we make barbecue a lot, so I'm using these handy meat shredders that really makes pulling the pork apart super fast. If this is your first time with us, we have new recipes every week. Subscribe and ring the bell to know when we've posted a new one. Toss the shredded pork with about a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's brown sugar and hickory flavor. Add more or less depending on your taste and how saucy you like your pulled pork. Then add the mixture back into the slow cooker on low for about 30 or 45 minutes. This slow cooker pulled pork barbecue recipe makes the best sandwiches. Serve on a soft bun with your favorite toppings. Today I'm serving these up on toasted onion rolls with slivers of red onions and homemade creamy coleslaw. Click up above for that recipe. You're gonna love how these taste. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Remember to subscribe before you leave so you'll know when we've posted a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.